I pledge to Nigeria, my country, to be faithful, loyal and honest, to be very obedient and highly useful, to serve and vote in Nigeria with all my strength and PVC, to obediently and usefully vote for justice, fairness, equity, competence, good governance, zero corruption, good education, and optimal security, to obediently and usefully vote out all wicked, greedy, corrupt, selfish, and expired political criminal leaders, Yahoo men and women, political bandits and vampires, official political kidnappers and contractors, with all my strength and PVC, to defend her unity under social justice, equity, fairness, good governance, zero corruption, and maximal security, and to uphold her honor and glory. So help me, God. Thank you. This, I said, is my personal pledge to Nigeria, our country. Thank you. Please help me to share so that every Nigerian will have access to my personal pledge to Nigeria.